In today's class, we'll see about the rule 4. How you're going to identify where it's going to be as in a rule 4 when your q of x, your rule 4 will be in the form of when q of x is equals to e to the power of ax into v of x, where your v of x is a function of x, where your v of x is the function of x. How you are going to solve your PI formula? PI formula is equals to 1 by f of d into q of x, which is equals to 1 by f of d into e to the power of ax into v of x. Now what you have to do, you have to take this e to the power of ax to the left of your 1 by f of d. Suppose you think that this is the girl and this is a boy. They have fighted among themselves. So now for solving them, what is that happened between them? This 1 by f of d will become as a mediator. First he will take that girl to one side. So this e power ax will come on this side. It's equals to e power ax into 1 by f of d into v of x. Now he will ask, what is the reason? What happened now? Complete the story. He is going to listen from e power ax. There what you have to do, you have to substitute every d. We are going to substitute every d is equals to d plus a. This a from where you are going to get? From here you are going to get your you're going to get your a value from here. Whatever the a is going to be there, you're going to substitute here. If it's minus, so it will become as a d minus a. You have to substitute every d is equals to d plus a in f of d. In f of d, you're going to substitute. So it will become as, it's equals to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v of x. First you are going to solve this d plus a equation. Again this will turn into the form of your 1 by f of d. It's equals to e power ax into 1 divided by f of d into v of x after solving this one completely, because you are substituting every d is equals to d plus a. You have to solve this one first. Now what you're going to do, you are going to see this v of x is going to be as a what? From e of x, he have listened completely what he has to do. He have substituted every d is equals to d plus a. Now he is going to see this v of x, whether it is in the form of rule 2 or it is in the form of rule 3. According to that rule, he is going to apply that method. Whether in rule 2, what you have to do, you cannot substitute for single d. D square, it's equals to minus of a square, you are going to substitute. And where if any single d is left, we are going to rationalize it, that one, for substituting d square is equals to minus of a square. That you know very well. Where you have your f of d has to be not equals to 0. If it is becoming 0, you have to move to the case rule. Where in the rule 3, by taking the lowest degree term, you have to make your or reduce your f of d into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d, and this you are going to take to the numerator. where you're going to operate it by using the binomial expansion, the sixth expansion I have given to you. Yes, Aditya, it's a clear the procedure. This is the procedure for the rule 4. What you have to do, first you
Yes, ma'am.
have to take
Yes,
your
ma'am.
e power ax to the left of your 1 by f of d. Then every d has to be substituted as a d plus a. Whatever the a value is there on power of e power ax, that you have to substitute it in f of d. After that, you're going to solve your f of d plus a. That is going to be again change it into 1 by f of d. Then you're going to see what is your v of x, whether it is following into the rule 3, rule 2, or it's following in rule 3. According to that, you have to proceed for the further problem. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we see one problem?
Yes, ma'am.